In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize ticket pipelines and statuses in HubSpot, a process that will take us about 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading over to the HubSpot homepage, your go-to destination for business software and tools. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This is typically found in the top right corner of the page, so it should be easy to spot. Enter your credentials and get logged in to access your HubSpot account. Now that you're logged in and on the HubSpot homepage, the next step is to navigate to your CRM section. On the main navigation menu, you should find an option labeled CRM. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage your company's interactions and relationships with current and potential customers. Once you're in the CRM section, look for and click on the Tickets option. This is where you'll manage and track all incoming customer inquiries and support requests, making it a critical part of maintaining excellent customer service. By accessing this section, you can view and organize your existing tickets, as well as create new ones. To start setting up your ticket pipelines, you'll need to create a new ticket. Locate the Create Ticket button, which is generally prominently displayed, and give it a click. This action will prompt a new window or form to appear, where you can input all the relevant details for this new ticket. You'll want to fill out as much information as possible to ensure clarity and effective follow-up. After you've filled in the ticket details, the next thing to do is hit the Create button at the bottom of the form. This will save your ticket, adding it to your pipeline and enabling your team to begin addressing the issue or request contained within. With your ticket created, you can now customize your pipeline and statuses to better fit your workflow. HubSpot allows you to tailor these settings to ensure that your ticketing system aligns with how your team operates. This means you can add new stages to your pipeline, adjust the existing ones, or set custom statuses that reflect your unique process. So by following these steps, you'll have a functional and customized ticket pipeline ready to help you efficiently manage customer interactions. Remember to take advantage of HubSpot's features to keep your process smooth and your team on the same page. Hopefully this guide has helped you through setting up and customizing your ticket pipelines and statuses. Please feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Thank you for watching and happy managing.